This vacuum sealer was sent to me for the purpose of this review, but the opinions are of my own. It comes with this roll of vacuum seal wrap to make different size packages for your food. But I want to show you here, you just plug it in. It has the mode up here, dry or wet, automatic, seal, pumping, or stop. So I'm going to vacuum seal some rice for this video, and you can just like unroll and make the package size the size that you want it. Or it does come with some pre-cut bags that you can use also. One here. Here's my 2 cups of rice. Dump it in here. Kind of spread the rice out a little bit. Now I figured out you don't want to get the rice up where the sealing process is because it doesn't work. Okay, so I figured out that you have to get this to click, and click automatic, gets all the air out, and then seal. And then stop. So you click the sides, open it up, and there you have it. No air. I'm gonna seal another package. So click, automatic, sucks all the air, seal. Okay, pop the sides open. There's your package. And this was one of the bags that I made out of this. I just cut it to size. As you can see, that rice isn't going anywhere. No air in there.